Hi guys, I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. In the last session, we studied about what are like and unlike terms and what are monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Now today, we'll go further with this chapter and learn new concepts. I hope you'll have fun learning, so let's go. The topic we are going to study is about addition and subtraction of expressions. Now consider the following problem. Ram's father's present age is 3 times Ram's age and Ram's grandfather's age is 13 years more than the sum of Ram's age and his father's age. Now, how do you find Ram's grandfather's age? Now, since Ram's age is not given, so let us assume it to be x years. Then his father's age will be 3x years. So, to find Ram's grandfather's age, we have to take the sum of Ram's age, that is x, and his father's age, that is 3x, and then add 13 to it, through which we get x plus 3x plus 13, which is equals to 4x plus 13. Now, let's see addition and subtraction of like terms. The simplest expression are monomials, that is expression with one single term. So, to begin with, we shall learn how to add and subtract the like terms. Now, let us add 3x and 4x. We already know that x is a number, and so also are 3x and 4x. Now, 3x plus 4x is equals to 3 into x plus 4 into x. Now, by using distributive law, we'll take out x common and we'll get x into 3 plus 4 in brackets, which is equals to 7 into x, that is 7x. Now, let's see subtraction between like terms and how do we subtract like terms. Now, suppose we have to subtract 4n from 7n. हमें 7n में से 4n subtract करना है. So, 7n minus 4n is equals to 7 into n minus 4 into n. Now again by using distributive law, we will take out n common and we are left with 7 minus 4 whole into n, which is 3 into n, that is 3n. Now here are some points that you must keep in mind. The sum of two or more like terms is always a like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of numerical coefficient of all the like terms. Similarly, the difference between two like terms is always a like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. Now, note that the unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted like the like terms. Now, let's see how two or more algebraic expressions are added or subtracted. Now, let us add 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. So, the sum is 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Now we know that the terms 3x and 7x are like terms. So also are 11 and minus 5. So like terms get added or subtracted. Further, 3x plus 7x is equals to 10x and 11 plus minus 5 is equals to 6. So we can therefore simplify the sum as 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Now by rearranging the terms we get 3x plus 7x plus 11 minus 5, which gives us 10x plus 6. Hence, 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5 is equals to 10x plus 6. Now, let's start with the question solving. The first question says, collect like terms and simplify the expression. The expression is 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. Now, by rearranging the terms, we have 12m square minus 4m square plus 5m minus 9m minus 7m plus 10. Now, by using distributive law, we get 12 minus 4 whole into m square plus 5 minus 9 minus 7 whole into m plus 10, which gives us 8m square plus minus 4 minus 7 whole into m plus 10, which again gives us 8m square minus 11 plus 10. So, the second question says, subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. So, we get 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus 24ab minus 10b minus 18a, this in the bracket, which is equals to 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus 24ab plus 10b plus 18a. By rearranging, we get 30ab minus 24ab plus 12b plus 10b plus 14a plus 18a, which gives us 6ab plus 22b plus 32a. Alternatively, we can write the expressions one below the other with the like terms appearing exactly below the like terms as 30ab plus 12b plus 14a, उसके नीचे आएगा 24ab minus 10b minus 18a. Then by subtracting these two expressions, we get 6ab plus 22b plus 32a. There are other type of questions also that we can get under this topic, like what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. So let us suppose p should be added. Then according to the question, x square plus xy plus y square plus p is equals to 2x square plus 3xy, which gives us p is equals to 2x square plus 3x minus in brackets x square plus xy plus y square, which gives us p is equals to 2x square plus 3xy minus x square minus xy minus y square, which again gives us p is equals to 2x square minus x square minus y square plus 3xy minus xy, and which gives us p is equals to x square minus y square plus 2xy. Therefore, we get that x square minus y square plus 2xy should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Now the next question says what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. I repeat, the question says what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. So let q be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10. Then according to the question we can write 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus q is equals to minus 3a plus 7b plus 16, which gives us minus q is equals to minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 minus in brackets 2a plus 8b plus 10. Now we open the brackets and we get minus q is equals to minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 minus 2a minus 8b minus 10, which gives us minus q is equals to minus 3a minus 2b plus 7b minus 8b plus 16 minus 10, which gives us minus q is equals to minus 5a minus b plus 6. Now by multiplying minus sign on both the sides, we get q is equals to 5a plus b minus 6. अब आपको समझना होगा कि सेम क्वेश्चन पूछने के ही बहुत तरीके हो सकते हैं. So the previous question can also be asked as what should be taken away from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16, though the solution will remain the same. So today we studied about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. I hope you understood it and keep practicing the questions, and for any further queries do contact us. The link is given below. Thank you and have a good day.